Hi, I'm Stephanie Hansen. We're gonna make something super delicious today, but we're gonna start by making roasted potatoes. I have put about 2 pounds of little baby potatoes on a roasting pan, and I'm gonna roast them in the oven at 425 for about 35 minutes to get them all roasty and toasty. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil on here. A lot of salt. I use about a tablespoon. Fresh cracked black pepper. I also like to put a little bit of smoked paprika on them just because it gives them a nice color, and I'm just kind of sprinkling that on. And I'm going to roast these in the oven for about 35 minutes. And then you could serve them just like this, or you could take the next step in this recipe to make a garlic scape pesto. And I love garlic scape pesto. I love the garlic scapes. They're the green bits that come out of the garlic in the ground. And then I'm gonna whip that with some ricotta and put the roasted potatoes on top. But if you're just here for the roasted potato recipe, this is good, this will work. We're gonna do this at 425 for 35 minutes, and I'll show you what they look like when we come back.